This is what happens when you drink aloe vera juice every day. Aloe vera juice is a viscous, sticky liquid formed from the flesh of the aloe vera plant leaf. Aloe vera juice is high in nutrients, and consuming it on a daily basis has a number of health advantages. Here are the top 10 health benefits of drinking aloe vera juice. 1. Relieves heartburn. Drinking aloe vera juice on a daily basis can reduce heartburn symptoms. 2. Treats constipation. Aloe vera contains a number of laxative chemicals. Constipation sufferers have seen a significant improvement in bowel motions after drinking aloe vera juice on a daily basis. 3. May improve irritable bowel symptoms. Aloe vera contains anti-inflammatory qualities that may help to reduce inflammation, and consuming aloe vera juice regularly improves IBS symptoms significantly. 4. Acts as an antioxidant. Aloe vera juice contains antioxidants that aid in the destruction of free radicals, which cause oxidative stress in the body, resulting in premature aging and a variety of chronic illnesses. As a result, aloe vera juice may help to avoid chronic diseases including diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. 5. Improves function of the nerves and muscles. Magnesium, a necessary component for neuron and muscle function, is abundant in aloe vera. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic activities and helps to control heart rate and blood pressure. 6. Helps to keep skin clear. Aloe vera helps to lessen the intensity and frequency of acne, as well as treat psoriasis and eczema. 7. Helps regulate blood sugar. Aloe vera juice may assist persons with type 2 diabetes decrease their blood sugar levels. When used with diabetic treatments, aloe vera juice can significantly reduce blood sugar levels. 8. Eye health. Aloe vera contains beta-carotene, an antioxidant that is good for eye health, particularly the retina and cornea. 9. Liver health. Aloe vera juice is a great approach to maintain your liver in good shape. Because it is hydrating and high in phytonutrients, aloe vera juice is excellent for the liver. 10. Boost to nutrition. Aloe vera juice is loaded in vitamins and minerals. Vitamins B, C, E, and folic acid are among the vitamins and minerals found in it. In addition, aloe vera is one of the few plant sources of vitamin B12. What is the recommended daily dose of aloe vera juice? Limiting aloe vera juice use to 30 ml 3 times per day can give health advantages while reducing the risk of adverse effects. Aloe vera juice can be consumed on an empty stomach or with food. If drinking unsweetened aloe vera juice is difficult for you, try mixing it with fruit juice or diluting it with water. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.